Within 5 months, I've made close to $1 million all by launching and dumping my own meme coins. Just keep watching because I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it for yourself and become filthy fucking rich. Now, as you guys know, I used to trade meme coins like a shit ton every single day. 24/7 I was on the screen looking for the next big meme coin, but the reality is that I lost all my money because every single time I put money inside the meme coin, it just kept getting rug pulled over and over again. And that's when I realized something. The people who are actually making the most amount of money off every single coin on the blockchain are the people who are launching and creating them, because all they have to do is make the coin, get buyers, and then dump it, and they're profiting hundreds and thousands of dollars. And the best part is that you have nothing to lose. All you have to do is create the coin and then remove the liquidity and just rinse and repeat. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your own coin and then make some money guaranteed. So make sure to keep watching. But obviously, this is all for educational purposes only. It's all fake. Do not copy me, please. Cap. But anyways, enough talking and let's head straight to the money. If you want to create and launch your own coin, you'll want to head over to create token.Fun. It's the only legit website on YouTube that works, okay? You can launch and create your own coins on the blockchain with no coding required and super fast. And the best part about this website is that all your coins are all launched on the Radium DEX, which is way better than Pump.Fun because Pump.Fun has low market caps, it's too saturated, and you need to get a $90,000 market cap for it to migrate directly on the Radium DEX. But by making your own coins on create tokens.fun directly, you're basically skipping that bonding curve progress and going directly to the Radium DEX and reaching way more people, which will make you way more money. But anyways, the whole point I'm trying to make is that you have to be making your coins on create tokens.fun. Okay, now to create your coin, you have two different options. The first option is to make your own coin by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image. So if a viral meme came out or if someone popular made a tweet on Twitter, well, you could come here, put the token name, token symbol, and token image, which takes a couple seconds, and continue with other steps. And the second option is my favorite one because I'm actually abusing this option to make a shit ton of money, and it's actually by copying coins that are already trending. So basically, we copy coins that pops up here, we list them up on the Radium DEX, and then we dump them and we rinse and repeat. All the coins here has a good narrative because they're all proven to get some buyers. So honestly, I would choose just any of them that has a decent reply rate and a decent market cap. But the coin that caught my attention is the Wojak cat because it's a cat first of all and it does good usually. It has 50 replies, a last buy 2 seconds ago, which shows that this coin is alive. Well, the narrative, and a $37,000 market cap. So first of all, connect your wallet, select wallet, boom, your phantom will pop up. Then do connect, simple as that. Then click on create coin, and as you can see here, a warning will pop up. It's completely safe, bro. It's completely normal. It would do this to everybody. Just proceed anyway. Confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin should be shortly created. Boom, copy here, click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable for the blockchain, right? So here's like your coin, here's like your Solana balance. By the way, I am starting with 1 Solana, so let's see my profits at the end of the video. Amount token A, click on max, yeah, click on max, but personally I'm gonna click on 90% because I want to keep 10% of the supply in my wallet, which means that I'm keeping 10% of the value of the coin in my wallet, right? But if you don't want to overcomplicate things, you can just click on max directly, okay? Amount token B is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money, okay? So I would put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana, and you are not losing this money. It will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity, so make sure you have enough here, right? And you're not losing this money. And now we should be ready to create the coin. So I'm going to create, I'm going to click on create pool. Your phantom should pop up, yes sir. Then do confirm. After that, click on refresh. Boom, as you can see, it popped up. I'm already $40 in profit, which is decently insane. And now click on View on Photon. And now your coin is live. It's pumping a lot. Let's fucking go. Let me go on the, oh, never mind. Let me see who bought in. $7, $50, $3. Not bad. Let's go pump more. Ooh, it's pumping. Oh my gosh, it's pumping. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so it has been a couple minutes. Let's go. Come on, pump. Okay, if it goes to like 800, 1000, around this range, I am gonna remove the liquidity, bro. Fuck it, I need the money. Come on, go higher. I want my DoorDash money, bro. Yo, hold up. It might explode. It might explode. Hold up. Oh my god! Yo, okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to create token.Fun, click on the minus button, 200% remove liquidity. Oh my god, I'm about to be fucking rich. I'm going to be fucking rich. Come on, confirm. What? And boom! That's exactly how you pump and dump a coin and print thousands of dollars a day off launching coins. And if I open my Phantom wallet to see how much I made exactly in 3, 2, 1. I'm so nervous. $600, bro. I made a $500 profit off this one meme coin launch. Create token.Fun is linked in the comments down below. If you want to win one Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.